Hey everyone, welcome back to our web development series and today is very special day because it's time to show off the websites you build and in module 7 I'm going to teach you how to host your website online and how to use GitHub pages for free hosting and how to use Netlify with the drag and drop of deployment and test your website live from anywhere in the world. Are you ready? Let's make your website go global. I will give a quick explanation. What is hosting? Hosting is like renting a space on the internet where you store your website files and so that anyone can access it by typing your website address. So we have free ways to do this and we will use GitHub pages for code projects and Netlify for easy static site deployment. In hosting in with GitHub pages, first, if you don't have a GitHub account, go to github.com and sign up there. It's completely free. After logging in, click on new repository. Give it a name like my repository, my responsive, or anything. Keep it public and click create repository. And use lower cases for names with hyphens. It is just a tip, and then it's time to push your files into Git. In VS Code, we have a folder like new folder. Within this new folder, we have index.html and style.css. Make sure your file name should be index.html because when we at the time of deployment, it should ask for the index page. That means index is the main root for the project in our folder. So we should have an index.html which is the prior or first priority of our project. Then click terminal and new terminal. In terminal, just type git init. We initialize the git repository, then git add space, then git commit -m. Some message. In within the double quotes, we need to give some message. Then after, when we will have two branches like a main and master. For this, we need to give the branch git branch -m. I'm going to give main. Enter. Then we need to add our repository link. I already have an account. Let's see how to do with Git and give the name here. I just press new. I'm giving name like responsive. It checks for availability. It is available. Just create repository. Our repository was created, and besides of typing everything, you just copy and paste it in your terminal. I'm going to do add our repository origin. Then after we need to push our folder into present GitHub repository. Let's wait for some time. It will take a minute and okay, successfully it pushed our folder to our respective repository. So we can see our index.html is there and style.css is there. So in this process, if you face auth error and it might ask for token sometimes, use your GitHub personal access token there. Then in your repo we have our files. Then we need to go to Netlify. And here what is Netlify means? Netlify is one of the easiest and fastest way to host simple websites, especially for front-end projects. So let's see. Type Netlify. I already have an account. Just sign in with GitHub. I'm logging. Okay, I already signed in. Just here click browse to upload. In this, we need to specify our folder. What is our folder? New folder, new folder. So this is our folder. I'm going to upload this. Upload. So our production was deployed. Just click here, open production. So this is what our website we have done. Here it is the link to show our website, and it is very global, and I will give this link in description also. You can see our website what we have done. So now we want a continuous deployment. That means if you change anything in GitHub, the changes should be made to this site also. This is the connection to modify our site. So for this, go to continuous deployment, project configuration. Here click continuous deployment. Here link repository. Click GitHub. It will authorize sometime. Successfully authorized. Then we can search for our repository. Where is our repo? This is our repository we have created 3 minutes ago. Just click it and deploy responsive. You don't need to give any other things, and here uploading and published. This is the main thing. If you get any error here, it will show and ask to AI, then you will correct that error and just use ChatGPT for errors. So this is our GitHub repository and Netlify linking, and you can change your link name like this. Just go to deploys. Here we have some URL like Ginger Snap. That's it. Just click it. Yes, in the project configuration, we will have change project name. Here we can change your project name. I am giving Mr. Dev. Save. Name already taken. Dev 121. So in browser, just go to browser and type Mr. Dev 121 dot netlify dot app. You will get our website. This is our website what we have deployed, and our website is now live. So you can also connect your GitHub repository directly to Netlify, so that every time you push changes, your site updates automatically. So, and that's wrap for web module 7 hosting websites online. Today you learned how to upload your site to GitHub, how to use GitHub pages for free hosting, how to use Netlify for instant deployment. So comment below which method you like more, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In coming up module, we will learn how to buy a real domain and connect it to Netlify for a fully custom URL. And see you in the next one. Stay tuned, more bits of knowledge on your way.